Hey guys, Melvin here. We're down in Miami for the huge Ferry event. Bill Pipes is on stage. I'm up next. We're about to get going right now. Let's go. Hey, Melvin here. We're back. It is day 3. Last night we had a great night, took the team to South Beach. We had a good time there, just kind of exploring, walking around. And then we had homework to do, so we did our calls first, doing our prospecting. Every day we're doing our prospecting. Now we're back, day 3. Today we're gonna go over our buyer presentation, consultation, and also our listing presentation. So that way we can make sure that we're articulating our value, and so it's showing the ways that we serve our clients best. So we're excited that it's day 3, but at the same time, a little bit down. It's the 3rd day. The event's coming to a close, but we've got lots of good information that we're going to be bringing back to you guys. So welcome back. We'll see you soon. So if you want to take your real estate business to that next level, reach out, give me a call, send me a text, or schedule a confidential strategy session.